Morning, children. So in the previous lesson, we have learned to find the square root of a number. But let us to see better whose square root is not the perfect square or the whole number. Is not the whole number or a perfect square. So how to find the square root of that number? So today we are going to learn. Okay. So first question is better. So the approximate square root of a number whose square root is not a whole number or a perfect square. So let's see first example. Find the square root of 141.6. Okay. So see children, it is what beta? Decimal number. Okay. So you have to find the square root of this number. Okay. So let's okay, so very first we will make the pair. Okay, so one is unpaired. Okay, so you have to start. See, first we will take one. Okay, so you have to find the perfect square of the number. So 1 square is 1. So subtract. So we get 0 to 1. Okay, now here 1 ones are 1. So add the same number. So here we will 41. Now children, you have to add the same number to this 2 and multiply the new number with the same. Okay, so if I add 21 and we multiply by 1, so what I get? 21. So here I add 21 and 1. So it is 22. 21 ones are 21. Got it, beta? Now see children. Here our whole number is complete. Division with whole number is complete. Okay. Now we have to break down this 61. Whole number is complete. So we will put the decimal point over here. Okay. Now bring down this pair 61. Okay. You have to bring down this pair, not a single digit. 61. Now here we have the divisor 22. So you have to write a number besides this 22 and multiply the same. Okay. So here you will try 8 and multiply it by 8. If it's a 64, then what 6? So 16. It is what? 1824. And here we have 2061. So we will try 9 and try 9. 9 is 81 carry over 8. How many is 2? 9 to 17, 19, 20. Okay. So it is 2061. So what number will here be at 9, right? 9 and add 9. So 9, 18, 3, 2. And here 261, 229 multiplied by 9. Okay. So what is the answer of this? Got it, beta? So let's try one more example. Okay. 137. See children, 137 is not the perfect square of any number. Okay. So here we will try 137. Yes, we can write 137.00. Yes. Can we write like this? 137 as 137.00? Yes. Now we make the pair. So it is the one pair. It is the another pair. Again, one is unpaired. Okay. So you have to choose a number which is the perfect square of this first or nearest perfect square. So it is the one. One is a perfect. One one's a one. One one's a one. Subtract. It is 37. Okay. Now add the same number. One one's a one. Here is 2. Okay, now 37. Again, you have to add a number to this, beside this 2 and multiply the new number with the same number. So here, 2 1 is 1, 21. If you write 2 and multiply it by 2, so it is 44, which is greater than this number. 44 is greater than this number. So what to do? We will add 2 to it. Add means we will write 2 and we will multiply by, here we will write 1 and multiply it by 1. So we will get 21. Subtract. Here I write 1 and again add the 1. So it is 22. Okay. 7 minus 1, 6, 2 minus 1, 1. See, now our divisor is 22. But here is 16. So we will bring down this pair. But see children, here the whole number is complete. Division out. So decimal point. Okay. And then bring down this. So 2, 2. And now write another number and multiply it with the same number. So let's start. If I write 5 and we multiply it by 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 11, 12, 5 is 10 plus 11. Okay. But it is much smaller than this. So we will try the next. Okay, let's try 7. 7 to the 14 plus 4, 18, 7 to the 14 plus 15. Yes, 1589 is very closer to this. So here I write 7. 7 is how much? 1, 5, 8, 9. Okay. Subtract 1 and minus 1 and 5 minus. Okay. And now add the same number to here. 7 plus 7. Now see children, here is only 11. Okay. So here is 234. Means here you have to write one more number and multiply it with the same number. So it is much bigger than this 11. Okay, so we will leave as see children, 137. See, it is 130. 11 square is 121 and 12 square is 144. Okay, so this 137 is in between 121 and 144. Means it is greater than 11 but less than 12. So see, so it is what? Perfect square of 11.7. Okay, actually it is the approximate. Here we will take another pair of this 0 zeros and we'll bring down it. Okay, so but 11 is the whole number and 7 is the fraction. So it is the approximate square root of 137. Got it, children? Let's start with some examples. More. So it is 12.67. See children, 12.67. Okay. Here is the whole number 12. Okay, see children. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So this 12.67 is lies between 3 and 4. Means 3. It is not perfect 4. Okay, so it would be 3 point something. Because 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16, but the number is 12.67. Okay, so here in our brain or mind, the rough figure is it is more than or 3 but less than 4. So it would be 3 point something. Okay, and now make the pair. So 12. So which is the nearest perfect square to this 12? 3. 3 3s are 9. If I take 4, 4 4s are 16. So it is better than 12. So it is 3 3s are 9. Okay, here write 3. Then add 3. It becomes 6. Okay, so you have to write the same number here and add the same number. Okay, to get the another divisor. Okay, so here the division of this whole number is 1. So decimal point and bring down this pair. So it becomes 367. So you have to write a number besides this 6 and multiply it with the same number which is perfect or closer to this 367. So let's try. If I write 2, 2 goes up 4, it is 122. So it is much smaller than this. Okay, so we will try. Okay, so I write here 6 is our divisor. I write 5 and multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25, carry out 2. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2. So it is 325. Okay, so 325 is smaller than this. So let's try. 666. I write 6 over here and multiply with the same number and see whether it is greater than this number or not. 6 6 are 36, carry over 3. And 6 6 are 36 plus 6, 42. Okay, so it is better than this. Okay, so we will take the here I write 5 and multiply it by 5. So it is 325. Okay, so here 5 and add 5. So in the left side you have to write the number besides the 6 and add the same number. Here it becomes 7 2. 7 minus 5. 6 minus 4. Okay, so you can take here one pair of zeros, means it becomes 4200. Okay, so but here, see children, it is 3.5. This 3 is the whole number. So this number is the perfect square of a number which is greater than 3 but less than 4, 12.6. So it is the approximately 3.5. Got it, beta? So shall we try one more example? See, for this example, you need much practice, much more practice. Then only you will get perfect for this. Okay. Let's try another example. Okay. Two 36. See children, 236. So children, the perfect square of 15 is 225. And here is 236. That means what, this number is greater than the square root of 15 but less than the 16. Okay, it is 236. So let's start. So here 236 is the whole number and here I am writing. You can write many zeros to this. Okay, you can take one more pair of this zero. Okay. Okay, so here 2 is left. So this pair, and 2 is unpaired. Okay, so again we will choose a number which is the perfect square or the nearest perfect square of these two. So only one ones are 1, subtract. So 2 minus 1, 1. Here write 1 and add 1. So it is 2. Now bring down this 36. Okay. So here you have to bring down the pair, not a single digit. So it is 36. Okay. So let's try. Write down a number to this side of this 2 and multiply with the same number. So let's try. If I write 4. Okay, but already we know 225. It is the perfect square of 15 is 225. So it is greater than 15. So let's try. We will write 2. Here I am writing 5. And I multiply it by 5. 5 times 5. It is 125. times 5. Okay, and here 5 and then add 5. So it is 30. So 11 is left. So we will break down this pair. So it will, okay, now here division with the whole number is 4. So write decimal point, then bring down this pair. So it becomes 1100. So beside this 30, you have to write a number and multiply with the same number. So here we will try 30. If I write 2 and we'll multiply it by 2, 2 to 4, 0, 3 to 6. It is much smaller than this. So 30, here I am writing 3 and I will multiply the same new number with the 3 3s are 9, 0, 9. Yes. So it is 1100 and it is 900. So if you write 4 and multiply with this number 4, 4 4s are 16. So it is, if you multiply it by 4, so you will get 1260, which is greater than this. So it is the nearest 3. 0.3. Okay, here write 3. 3 is 306 and 909. 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 9, 9. Okay. So what is the answer? 15.3. So got it, beta? So in this way, you can find the square root of a number which is not the perfect square or the decimal number. Got it, children? So here we will stop our lesson. Bye bye, beta.